Okay, so this is project log for the safety hurdle. I think it's part 2. And during that time, we've made quite a lot of progress. This is Conrad, and that's what I've been working on. Now, we're about 50% done right now. And the way this thing works is really simple. Now, right now, as you probably know from the modeling video, if you've watched that one, this is the folded state of the hurdle. It looks like that. It's about 70 centimeters tall, right? It's a very, you can carry this fairly easily. I also plan to make like one of those sleeves or like these bags, but not this big, but like when you have those folding camping chairs, you have like nylon bags to put them in. So that's what I'm trying to make as well. But this right now is the prototype. Now I say prototype because I've been making this for about 2 weeks now, and I already have a couple of points that I would like to improve on. But this is the unfolded state. As you can see, it's way larger. Now, from this side to this side, the width is about a meter. Actually, it's a bit more than a meter, because from the inside here to the inside here, that's about a meter. So, technically, it would be something like 1,050 millimeters, right? And then the length, right, from this end to this end, that's about 50 centimeters. So that's about half a meter. And no, this thing does not topple. It's quite stable, actually. The only, problem that I have is I would like it to open with just one touch, with a one-touch motion. The problem right now, or I wouldn't really say it's a problem, but it's a nitpick of mine. The nitpick that I have is, let's say you really just needed to use this on the fly, right? I only have one hand, so it's a bit difficult to demonstrate. But basically, you could take these two. These rising handles, and then do that, and then that would open up, right? Actually, it works a lot better than I thought. But the problem is, if you want to, make this angle vertical, or not vertical, but make this angle a 90-degree angle, and if you apply more force here, guess what? It folds this middle hinge here, and that's natural. That's just physics. But I would like to have some kind of locking mechanism here. So once I spread it, come on, help me out. Once I spread it like this, and then these 2 points touch like that, it won't be released unless I, maybe I press a button here or something like that. That's the first idea. Honestly, it is really a nitpick because it really works in a single motion. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but look, it really opens up in a single motion, and this state is pretty much stable. So it really is a nitpick, but I would still like it to be just one of these motions, like that. Or maybe I change these joints or something like that. But now, for the most part, I'm actually really satisfied with how this thing turned out. I do have to, work on the hurdle part itself. Honestly, though, I don't think that's going to take too much time. And yeah, this didn't really take too long to make either, so I think this is a massive win. It's also really easy to fold. Also, the joints don't break, which is I actually had a couple problems with the joints breaking because the initial joints that I designed looked like this. And you can probably tell why they broke. I can just demonstrate it right here. Or I can't. See? That's all it took to break this joint. And that's really not surprising, you know. When we take a look at what was holding that joint together, it's literally this section, about 10 millimeters of plastic, 3D printed. So that definitely wasn't enough to hold this thing together. But now we have these, long chamfers, so the joints are much more durable. And I also printed this with, higher infill patterns and higher and more wall loops, so I guess that helped as well. But for the most part, yeah, that redesigning process of the joints, I think that really helped. And that's about it. I will keep you posted on this project, which I believe will be finished this week. I'm still waiting for the aluminum pipes that go in here to arrive. But once those arrive, we should be basically done with the project itself. Anyway, that's about it. And bye-bye. Have a nice day.